What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Let's go over Tesla and how I plan to trade Tesla tomorrow after buying every single dip. If you guys bought the dip, leave a like, let me know, it helps out the channel. And without further ado, let's hop right into Tesla. By the way, FYI, the markets are closed Friday, so Merry Christmas to you all. And it is a half day tomorrow, so they close at 1 p.m. Eastern and 11 a.m. here in the Pacific. Some reason still Thinkorswim does not let me open on my MacBook. If any of you guys are tech savvy, I'll cash app you $100 if you help me fix this issue, because Thinkorswim, I don't know what's going on with the contact support. They're not replying back to my email. It only lets me log into my simulated trading account on that same account, which is this account, but we're not up to 218,000. That would have been amazing though on Tesla at an average price of 208. Today, after coming back from yesterday's loss, we are up to 76 on the day. By the way, this is our free chat. If you guys aren't in there as well, that's the first thing down below. Have a Discord account and you're able to join the chat. As for Tesla tomorrow, like I said, I'm buying every single dip, and I'll post a screenshot here of my orders since this is not the real account. These are the orders I was buying in increments of 5. I was watching my position size. I was still managing risk because, as you guys are aware, today we actually had a pullback at market open, and you guys have been asking me, Ralph, what price would you buy these dips? Yesterday I said I would buy at 630s, and I kind of got burned there at 630s after it dipped down to 614. I had 60 shares at an average price of 616. Today, of course, that would have been amazing if I would have held, but I'm day trading Tesla in a sense. I'm learning to manage my risk and to have that what if mentality. What if it kept dropping and it hit 600 and it did not recover until next week? And I would have been in a deeper hole. But I kept buying this dip here down to 620, which is another level, as we had the lows of 614 yesterday. So as we started pulling back, I kept adding 5, and then I sold into the spike here around 628. Where is it? That first initial spike here at 628. And of course, every time I sell, of course, I leave a lot of money on the table. And this time it went all the way to the 640s, nearing that 650 resistance we had here. That whole dollar number we were watching. Can we pull back tomorrow, possibly down to retest that $620 mark? One thing that I was kind of iffy on is that 1 hour or that 4 hour as we cross down under the 13 EMA right around here. But now it seems like we're still testing around that area. But also, if you notice, Tesla has these runs, pulls back, gears up again, breaks past that previous resistance, makes new highs, pulls back, and that resistance here was 600. And it's still holding, it's still hitting new highs, and then we're at the phase where we're pulling back, and we're here to see, can Tesla make new highs? The last time we had 2 days, let me see, I think on the 1 hour, we had 2 right here, where we pulled back. It was from like 643 all the way down to 604 or 603, which was that low of the day. The following day, we had that rally, we had that comeback. So same thing here, we pulled back, and then we continue to pull back, which was yesterday, and today we had that small push up here. So if we come down, I'm still going to be eyeing some shares, but this time I'm going to be sizing in differently, not as aggressive as I did yesterday at 630, of course. And if we keep on dropping down, I'll probably add more around the 620s. Worst case scenario, this drops down to 600. I'm going to be loading up there as well. But bullish side, if this manages, if you guys are aware, if you guys saw in the morning, we had some massive resistance right around 648. We had some trouble breaking 648. That's where we initially pulled back. Let me show you guys here, right around here, 648, and then we had that candle pullback. But we're surprisingly holding the 640s right now. There's still an hour and 12 minutes left before the market closes. So if this manages to break past 650, I'll probably miss it, since I like buying the pullbacks, and I'll just wait for a pullback. But the chances of it spiking past 650, if it holds, I mean, I could pass 650. There's still an hour and 12 minutes left. So I think the strength is there. It's holding midday. And for the most part, Tesla has these days where it runs, holds the midday gains, and it tries to form some new highs headed into close. I'm creating that bullish momentum headed into tomorrow. So that's it. Short and sweet video for you guys. Just want to update you. Hopefully, Thinkorswim fixes this tomorrow. So other than that, leave a like on the video, guys. If you guys found this video helpful, of value, subscribe. Leave a comment down below with where your position is. I'll get back to you guys. Or if any questions, thoughts, I'll throw my 2 cents in there. And I will see you guys in the chat room tomorrow for another trade.